Lesson 8, perimeter and area. So perimeter is just a measure around a figure. When you label perimeter, it's just going to be whatever unit you're talking about. So if you're talking about centimeters, it'll just be centimeters. If you're inches, the label will just be inches. Area is basically a measure of a surface. When you label area, you're going to take your units and square it. So you'll write units and put a little square above whatever unit. So if it's centimeters, it's going to be centimeters squared. If it's inches, it'll be inches squared. Now specifically for rectangles, to find the perimeter, we're going to do 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And that will give us perimeter. Because on a rectangle, each length is the same measure and each width is the same length. Wait, that didn't even make sense, but kind of. Each length is the same, never mind. Okay, area is length times width. So the capital, we're going to put in here what all these letters represent. Capital P means perimeter. Lowercase L means the length of the side. W means the width of the side. Capital A is area. So we're going to do an example. And we have to draw a picture. It's going to look a lot like the state of Utah. We're going to have 7 feet here. 4 feet going down on this side, 3 feet here, 8 feet all the way on the right. The bottom is going to be 10 feet, and the left side will be 8 plus 4, 12 feet. So to find perimeter, we're just going to add all the side lengths together. And we get 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 3 is 14, plus 8 is 22, plus 10 is 32, plus 12 is 44. And we put our label feet. For area, it's easier to kind of divide it up into 2 rectangles. So we're just going to put a dotted line here. So we only want to look at this top rectangle right here. The length is 7, the width is 4. So the area of this is 7 times 4, or 28 feet squared. Then we have to add the area of this rectangle. The length is 10 feet and the width is 8 feet. So you want to be careful to only take the width of this rectangle, and you don't want to go all the way to the top. You only want to go to here. So 10 times 8 is 80 feet squared. Add them together and we have 108 feet squared, and that's the end of the lesson.